Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Topwell 250A professional AC/DC Tig Welder with unique mix Tig and AC Amplitude control. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Mastertig 250 AC is ideal for light industrial manufacturing applications and fabrication. Its reliability and powerful is proved for years. It has DC Tig and AC Tig. In AC Tig mode, it has two waveforms and complete 3 AC wave controls, which including AC frequency, AC balance, and AC amplitude. Besides, it has Topwell unique mix Tig function. It contains both AC current and DC current in one duty cycle. Comparing the regular AC Tig, it has better arc concentration and deeper penetration. With so great functions, Mastertig 250 AC could help you get an excellent welding result on aluminum, stainless steel, copper, titanium, mild steel, and other metal materials. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.